All right, practice problem 2. They've told us angle 1. They've told us angle 2. They've told us angle 3. They want to know what is the value of angle 6 minus angle 7. Okay, so I have 1, 2, and 3. I like to work with congruent angles, so I'm going to pick the vertical angles 1 and 3 and set them equal to each other. So this is angle 1. It equals angle 3. I need to get my variables on the same side. I'm going to choose the smaller one and get rid of it. So I have 5 equals n minus 10. I need to get rid of this minus 10. So I'm going to add 10 on both sides. So 15 equals n. A lot of students don't like when it looks like this, so flip it around if you need to. Not the question, though. They want angle 6 and angle 7. So I need to figure out the angles that I do know. So let's start with angle 1. Looks pretty easy. Instead of n, I'm going to put that 15 in its place. And then we're going to add 5, so that's 45 plus 5. So angle 1 is 50 degrees, but not the question. Angle 3, I'm just going to fill in everything. So that means the supplementary angles are 130 degrees. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding, so 50, 50, 130, 130. So angle 6, now to actually answer the question, that's 130 minus angle 7, which is 50. So what is that? 80 degrees. Next part. Were there multiple entry points? Yes. Why? 3 angles were given. So there are multiple entry points. I chose 2 congruent angles, but you could have chosen 2 supplementary angles to solve it. Totally up to you. So there are multiple entry points. Don't skip these, you guys. Do not be lazy and skip these. Try the next one.